Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your social studies class. Children, today we are going to start our new chapter from Geography, Major Landforms. Children, we have already studied in our previous chapter that the earth is a dynamic place, which means it constantly undergoes changes. And the various landforms on the earth's surface are formed by the various endogenic forces. However, the exogenic forces tend to reduce the elevation of the existing landforms. In this chapter, we are going to see which are these exogenic forces and how they are working. Children, there are two ways in which exogenic forces carry out their work: weathering and erosion. First, we will talk about weathering. Children, weathering involves disintegration and decomposition of rocks. It means it is a process of breaking rocks into soil, sand, and other tiny pieces. And these things are called sediments. And weathering can be done by number of factors or agents, like weathering can be caused by water. Some of the minerals in rocks, they dissolve in water, and water can seep into cracks in the rocks and then freeze. When it freezes, it expands and breaks the rock apart and turned into small particles. And children, it does not take place within few days. It is a long process. Children, weathering can be caused by wind also. Wind that contains sand wears rock away and creates tiny rock pieces. And you know, children, plants can also cause weathering. The roots of the plants can spread inside the cracks in a rock, and these loosen the rocks and pushes piece of rock apart. Bits of rock soon break off. So in this way, plants also causes weathering. Children, other than these factors, there are some other agents like heat, cold, frost, even animals which contribute to weathering. And weathering can take millions of years to become markedly visible. For example, the Grand Canyon was carved out by the Colorado River, which took about 6 million years. So, weathering is a long process. Children, now let's see the other work of the exogenic forces, that is erosion. Erosion is a process by which the broken rock material are removed from the place of its origin and deposited elsewhere. There are also different agents we find which carried out this erosional work, like the running water, river, sea waves, moving ice, glacier, and wind. The transported material are deposited at different places, and while doing these things, they create different landforms. So today we are taking up only the one factor, that is the running water, river.